Welcome to TechLeaper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to sort on Microsoft Excel. So at first open up your Microsoft Excel and then open any document. Now from here select the row or column that you want to sort. If I select column D and then click on Home tab. After that go to editing option. Then you can see sort and filter function. Then just click here and that's it. Here you can see three options: sort A to Z, sort Z to A and custom sort. And you can choose any option as you want. If I select sort A to Z, then click on sort and it's done. You can see your data has been sorted successfully. Now if you click here again, then click on custom sort, then click on sort. From here you can customize your sort. Just click on order and then you can also customize your list. Then click on OK and then click on OK again and it's done. And that is how you can sort on Microsoft Excel. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe